Hi everyone, welcome back to Backyard Homestead. So today's video, I'm not cooking or canning anything, as you can see. I actually just got back from shopping and I have a bunch of groceries to put away, but we're getting ready to do Thanksgiving here soon, and I just wanted to give you guys an update. So I'm now officially retired. I retired Saturday. Let's see, last Saturday. So Saturday was my last day. What was the date? The 9th of November was my last date. And then Sunday, we went and cleaned out the shop. I owned a doggy grooming shop, and so I had to go get all my stuff out and clean it all out for the next renter to come in and so she could get ready to rent the place. And so we had to go clean it all out. Where am I going with this? Oh, and so Sunday we cleaned it all out. Then Monday I woke up sick, like super sick, and I've been sick for like a week and a half, so haven't really had time to post any videos. The two that I just posted I made before I got sick. So I've been wanting to do this video just to share that I'm retired now. And I don't know what I'm going to do with myself other than I need to declutter my house. I need to sell a bunch of stuff, and I plan to hopefully make lots more videos, more canning, cooking, clothing hauls, whatever hauls, Dollar Tree hauls. In fact, I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys, so maybe I'll share that with you guys too. And just everyday life. And I thought I would really like to step my channel up and get lots more subscribers and do this more of a full-time thing. So if you like that kind of stuff, like gardening, cooking from scratch, cleaning, canning, I do it all. And or if you just like to see, other people cooking and stuff or cleaning, I have a few cleaning videos, but I haven't posted them yet, so I might do that. Seems like no matter how much I clean, it's always a mess, so I really need to declutter and get my house in order so that it's not a constant mess. Like I said, I feel like I clean and then the next day it looks like it never even got clean. So it's definitely time to declutter this house and get it more organized, get more of a routine, because I was working full time, and when I would get home I would be in so much pain right in here in my collarbone. I already have a messed up back really bad that's been messed up for like 20 years, but from grooming dogs right here in this area, it would just burn all night, and I would literally some nights just be in tears. And so there was days that I couldn't come home and cook dinner. I couldn't come home and do a lot of things that I wanted to do. So I would try on the weekends to make at least a couple meals, to where then I'd only have to do like 1 or 2 meals on the days that I worked, or something simple, because like I said, I was in constant pain. Constant. And so now this pain that's been in here and the carpal tunnel, that stuff is easing up, but my back is not. It's pretty much messed up for life, and I don't want to have surgery on my back because that's scary to me. So I just had to retire, and I'm only 50. I say only. I hope to take my channel further and finally get monetized. And if you're interested in plus size clothes hauls, shopping hauls, gardening. We live in the desert, and it's hard to garden in the desert, let me tell you. It takes a lot of water and shade because that's hot sun is scorching. But it's winter time now, so it's actually a good time to garden. And so I thought that I would start some seeds this coming weekend and maybe start some winter garden going, because this year's garden, it died in the sun. My Yorkie got really sick in July, and end of June, beginning of July, and she died on July 5th, and I had to be with her constantly. I didn't even go to work on the days that my husband was at work. I stayed with her 24/7. She got pancreatitis, got really sick, so that was really devastating for me because she was everything to me. So anyways, so in July, she passed away, and the garden just didn't get watered the whole time. Like the whole week I was staying with her 24/7, and if you don't water in a week in the desert, your stuff's gonna die. So I didn't have a garden this year, so I'm thinking of planting a winter garden, just so carrots and stuff like that can grow in the cold. It doesn't get snowy here, but it gets cold. Like down into the teens, not like minus, not minus anything. We're lucky here. Like today is, I think, 60 degrees. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful sunny day, so I could be growing stuff right now. And I was thinking that the other day, so I might start another garden. Anyways, I really would like my channel to grow and get monetized. So if you like this, please subscribe. If you like plus size clothing hauls, shopping, gardening, cooking from scratch, canning, and I teach you how to can. I show you how to do it step by step. Our next video is going to be canning some homemade cranberry sauce for Thanksgiving. So I really thank you for joining me, and I appreciate every one of you, and thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.